Hi, I am Shalini and I am from Modern Plastics India. We are celebrating our 26th anniversary here with Mr.
Raghavendra Rao.
Raghavendra Rao from Hotset. Sir, I have a few questions from you. Could you tell me about the company journey?
HPL India is a wholly owned subsidiary of Hotset Germany. This has been incorporated in India in 2014. We have a manufacturing facility in Bangalore. We manufacture heaters and sensors and then high temperature power cables.
Oh, great. Can you tell me about more about your product range?
Okay, when it comes to power cable, we make a fiberglass insulated power cable, and it is very unique. It can go up to 350 degrees centigrade, and the kind of material what we use, it is so special, and it eliminates a lot of challenges. Normally, the end users when they try to use it in the high temperature application.
Oh, interesting. I also want to know about, like, you have actually mentioned the features of your products. So, is it something specifically that makes your company unique, or is there anything else that makes your company unique?
Yes, the product makes my company unique because uh, you know the kind of process what we adopt and then the certifications we have for this product that make us to produce that international quality which is available in India, and moreover for uh, the global companies, they can source that product what it is available in their market at the very competitive pricing from India.
Great. So, how is your company helping in the sustainability, or is it contributing in the sustainability?
Uh, yeah, of course, when it comes to the environment, yes, we do consider this at the time of procurement of the raw material. We try to see to it that, we get the material which is not having the hazardous material into it and content, so that, when we process it, we don't end up with, a lot of material that need to be recycled and then the disposed.
It's really good to know that you are taking care of the workers and like you are making it people friendly, environmental friendly, and everything. So let me just quickly wrap it up, and I want to know that how come you are here? What made you bring to this platform?
We normally, participate in very PlastIndia, that too in German pavilion, because we being the subsidiary of a German company, and we wanted to showcase, that what you call that the new products and then the services which we have come out with to the Indian customers here, so that they can get an advantage of the technology which is available in Europe at the economical price here in India.
It's really good to know about your company, this and the products that you're providing. Uh, I best wishes, our
Thank
best
you.
wishes with you.
Yeah, I congratulate Modern Plastic team, on their 26th anniversary, and I congratulate the entire team.
Thank you very much. We have something for you.